In this video, we will set up our class and perform basic editing to make the pages look and perform the way that we want them to. So let's go to our class, and as usual we're going to start at the gear icon, but this time we're going to use the first setting, which is Edit Settings. This is a general setting for the entire class. So let's go to that page, and as usual we'll expand all. Most of this stuff you shouldn't touch, and a lot of it you can't change, like the name of your course. But this is the critical one here. When your course is ready and you want the students to see it, you have to set this to show. By default, all courses are defaulted to hide. That gives you time to set up your course, to make changes. If you have it set to show and you're still working on it, students may try to participate or add things that you're deleting or changing. So when you feel that your course is ready for students, you have to go into Edit Settings and set it to show. But here's the one thing I do want to show you. In the course format, you have a number of options. The default is Topics format, and it looks exactly like we saw on the main page. It says Topics 1, Topics 2, Topics 3, and that's great. An option for you is to use the One Topic format. And what that does is it changes the way your course looks. And let's just quickly look at it. I'm going to scroll down all the way and return. And instead of having Topic 1, Topic 2, and Topic 3, and so on, you're going to see that everyone is on the top here. These, we call them tabs. It's called the One Topic format. So if I look at Topic 2, I'll see what we have there. And this is easy because if you change the name of the topics, maybe this says March 5th, and this says March 20th, or whatever, or Week 1, or something like that, or the name of the topic, like 1920s, you can make it, you can edit it to make it look a lot more easy for the students to navigate. But let's go back and change that anyway, because I want to show you how it looks like with the topic format, because it's a little easier to see. So under course format, I'll change it to topics, give it a moment to reset, and then we scroll down, and here we go. So I want to change the titles of the topics and add some text under each one to make it look a little different from the next one. So the first thing I do is at the gear icon, now I go back to turn editing on. And you'll see that with the usual boxes about resources and activities, each topic now has an edit function to the right. So in Topic 1, I want to change it. So I'm going to edit the topic. I don't like Topic 1. I'm going to click on the box that says Custom. I'm going to call this the 1920s. And I've already copied some text, so I don't want to bore you in typing it. And I'm going to put it in there. And when I save this, you're now going to see the Topic 1 is completely different. It has a different name, it has some information, and if you notice it says please reply in the forum, which is right here, and then work on the assignment. But I have a problem. The assignment isn't in this topic. But because I have editing on, you can see that each item has this weird cross next to it. This allows me to move it. So I'm going to take it. Here's the painting that I asked them to work on. I'm going to drag it up here. And now you can see it's in this topic section. I can do the same thing for the other items. Oh, I made a mistake. No problem. I can fix it pretty easily. And that's fine. So that is a way that you can drag and drop things in the topics. Please note that there's a hidden problem in the One Topic format. Remember, we saw the tabs that went across the top earlier, and it looks really nice, but you can't easily drag things from one topic to another in the One Topic format. So the trick is to go back into Edit Settings and change it to the topic setting, move everything around that you want, and then go back into the settings and change it to one topic. That's the little trick in moving things around. So now my course looks really nice. I like the way it looks. And remember, I want to go back into Edit Settings, which is the same thing as the gear icon, this administration box, and I'm going to change it to Show, which it is in my case here, and now the students can see it. And that's how you make your course look a little different, and hopefully the students will be able to navigate more easily.